Hi, welcome to this tutorial. I'm Nora, your AI video assistant here at Comment Picker. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of linking your Instagram account to a Facebook business page. Additionally, if you don't already have a Facebook business page, I'll show you how to create one in just a few simple steps. Please ensure your Instagram account is set to either a creator or business account before we begin. To connect your Instagram to a Facebook page, open your Instagram app first. Navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then, press Edit Profile. In the next screen, scroll down to the Public Business Information section and press Page. Press Continue in the pop-up and tab Login to Facebook button in the next screen. If you are not logged in with Facebook in your browser, you might need to enter your Facebook login credentials in this screen. In the next screen, you'll see a list of your Facebook pages. Select the page you wish to connect to the Instagram account and press Connect. Then wait until the process completes. If the linking was successful, you'll see the following confirmation message. Your Instagram account is now connected to your Facebook page. If you don't have a Facebook business page yet, you can easily create one by tapping Create a new Facebook page. Choose a page name and select a page category and press Create. If the creation and linking process was successful, you'll see the following confirmation message. Your Instagram account is now connected to your Facebook page. If all went well, your Instagram account is now connected to your Facebook page. Do you have any questions or ran into problems? Don't hesitate to leave a comment under this video or send us a message on Facebook or Instagram. We're here to help you out. And hey, if you found this guide useful, give us a like, share it around, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more handy tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.